Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Gala Games price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also lost a key area of support at around the $0.04336 mark, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that fully maximized its minimum retracement area, highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this played out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.04267 mark. And having seen the high for that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, we started an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 in a move that has now fully maximized its minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 that I gave you by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. Then dragged the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gave me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04956 mark. And you can see we fully maximized that target area and also got a high at around the $0.05 mark. And having seen the high for this wave 3, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that is the high of that wave 3, I was able to get a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5. And you can see that we have fully maximized that minimum target area in the formation of that wave 4. And you can see that according to the Elliot wave guidelines, the fourth wave should not retrace into the wave 1 high. And you can see that we have our wave 1 high at around the $0.04267 mark. And at the time of this recording, we are trading below that wave 1 high, meaning that we have an issue now with this Elliot wave structure that we had been obeying, since we have now hit the invalidation point. And because of that, in this video I want to remove this Elliot wave structure from my charts and also give you an alternative scenario to this move to the upper side. And before I give you the alternative scenario, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And the alternative scenario to that move is, from the low that we made on the 23rd of March, whatever we have been seeing over here was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in what we can term as a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And having seen the high for that first wave at around the $0.05 mark, whatever we are seeing at the moment is a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2. And once we see the low for this second wave, we can expect an impulsive wave in the formation of that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5, and giving you target areas in the formation of this wave 2 and areas that we need to continue holding here on the Gala Games chart in the formation of this wave 2 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. That now gives me a target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 as a maximum. And this is a target area that lies between the $0.04299 mark and the $0.03906 mark. And it is within this blue target area that I'm now expecting to see the low for this second wave and also continue holding within this blue target area for us to still say that we are seeing a corrective structure in this wave 2, then expect an impulsive wave in that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to complete an even larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. So that is the alternative scenario that we can have here on the Gala Games chart, where I'm expecting Gala Games to fully maximize this target area between the $0.04301 mark and the $0.03921 mark. and as long as you fully maximize that and also continue holding within it, then we can expect another breakout to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And on the worst case scenario, in case we lose that blue target area, then there are high chances that we are going to unlock an even more bearish scenario here on the Gala Games chart, which could send us into this white target area down here, where the lower bound is at around the $0.03493 mark. So that is what we can expect on the worst case scenario here on the Gala Games chart, and that is what I'm also expecting on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 40.39 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown, though we are seeing a bit of a decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.